Hello guys, big value, big energy. Are you learn how to advertise your business on the world most search engine is Google? Yes, then you are in the right place because today we are breaking down everything you need to know about Google Ads. Yes, we are things easy to with a complete guide about Google Ads. Well, we all cover what Google Ads is, how it's working, and what are the types of Google Ads can run of your business, and who are the competitors. Let's go, guys. So, what exactly is Google Ads? Well, we all know Google is the most search engine in the world. In fact, 90% of people using Google. So Google Ads is one of the product that helps you advertise your business. So we are talking about Google search, YouTube, Google's map, and Google shopping, etc. And how Google Ads is working. It's a straightforward process, guys. An advertiser pay Google to advertise your business to right audience. Like for example, you creating a video about your product or service, something else, to upload in YouTube platform to run your ads in video format. So that is a part of Google's network. Now for the existing part, the different types of Google Ads. 5 types of Google Ads have in these platforms, like search ads, display ads, video ads, mobile app installation ads, and shopping ads, etc. Number 1, search ads. When you search for something on Google and see a link on the top of the search engine, so that is a Google search ads. These ads appears on search engine result page, that is called SERP, and on Google search partner website. This bidding strategy are typically cost per click, shortly called CPC. Number 2, display ads. This image based ads is usually in various websites. They are great for business purposes and appears across Google Display Partner Network, GDNP, and which includes websites, mobile apps, and even YouTube also. These display ads, which includes cost per mile or cost per click basis. Number 3, video ads. This video ads is primarily used for business branding. Bidding is usually for cost per view, that means CPV. This video ads, they have several formats. First one, skippable ads, is only used for 30 minutes video. And number 2, non-skippable ads. This non-skippable ads only used for 30 seconds video. And number 3, in-feed ads. So this in-feed ads only used for no time limit. So number 4, bumper ads. This bumper ads only used for 6 seconds video. And number 5, must-read ads. This used for only YouTube shorts, that means durations 60 seconds. Number 4, mobile app installation ads. This mobile app installation ads mostly used for mobile installation in Play Store. So that means these ads are designed to get people to install your mobile applications. For example, Google link that takes you directly Play Store to download your app. That is used for mobile app installation ads. And number 5, shopping ads. This shopping ads is mostly used for e-commerce business, and this appears as an image with text and build as based on cost per acquisitions model. So why you should use Google Ads? What are the benefits for your business? So the huge advantage is ability to show your advertisement to a specific target audience. You can decide where your ads to reach your specific audience. For example, you target specific demographics like age, gender, interest to target audience to reach your advertisement, product or service, etc. So that leads to some major benefit like increase your return on investment, and number 2, more traffic to your website, and number 3, increase your brand awareness, and number 4, and ultimately an increase in sales and conversions. There are main benefits for your business to reach your target specific audience. So finally, who are Google's competitors? So while there are other platforms like Bing, Yahoo, Amazon ads, and LinkedIn ads, etc., but market share they have huge only Google. They have 92.6% market share have Google. So there are huge marketplace to advertise your product or service in globally. So that's it, guys. Big value, big energy. I see you in the next video, guys. Bye.